Hi, have you been thinking how to make your motion sickness while riding in the vehicle much easier or even disappear at all? Let me show you this cool feature which is named vehicle motion cues on your iPhone. So basically, on your phone you'll see some dots at the edges of your phone, and while you're riding, these dots will move at the same direction as your vehicle. So this should help you to make the motion sickness much smaller than before, and let me show you how to use it. So to enable this feature, as a first step we would need to open settings on our phone, and here scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named accessibility. It's right under the general tab, so we would need to open it, and here scroll down. Here we are looking at this tab which is named vision, where we can see this tab which is named motion. So we would need to open the motion, and here find this feature which is named show vehicle motion cues. So we would need to open it, and here choose the option that is most comfortable for you. As you can see, we got free, which is turned off, automatic, and turn on. The automatic one can automatically detect when you are in a vehicle which is riding to automatically enable the motion cues. So let's just turn it on and take a look. How does it look? So here you can see 8 dots at the edges of your phone, and if I'll slightly try to move my phone, you can see that they may move as my hand is. So here is it how it looks. And also, let me show you one more cool feature, how you can make the motion cues. And let me also show you one more cool feature which will help you to easily enable or disable the vehicle motion cues. So if we will go back to the accessibility tab and then scroll to the end of this page, here at the same button we can find this tab which is named accessibility shortcut. So by clicking on it, here you can see really a lot of accessibility settings, but here at this list we should be looking for the vehicle motion cues. So after you have found it, just click on it like this, and there should appear this confirmation icon, which means that now the accessibility shortcut will be enabled for this exact feature. And when you can see this confirmation icon, now with the help of triple click on the side button, you can enable or disable the vehicle motion cues. Let me show you how it works. So the side button is the power button on the right side of your phone, and by clicking on it 3 times you can enable or disable the motion cues. Let me show it to you once more. And now they have disappeared. You can also see this notification which is saying that they have been disabled, and now let's enable them back. And here they are again on your screen with only simple triple tap on the side button. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful, and have a great day.